Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 10th of February 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, around 1,000 workers at a Brazilian turbine blade factory owned by LM Wind Power face losing their jobs after the GA Vernova subsidiary decided to end production there. Workers were told that the factory will close as soon as next month when the last blades on the production line are concluded, according to a news portal for local authorities in the metropolitan region of Recife. GE Vernova had already suspended operations at its Brazilian turbine manufacturing facility in Camaçari, in the state of Bahia. The company subsequently sold that factory to Goldwind. It is likely that the LM Wind Power blade factory could be acquired by a Chinese wind turbine OEM or blade manufacturer who is interested in making a long-term commitment to the South American market. In the U.S. state of Arizona, House Bill 2223 was introduced by Republican Representative David Marshall. The measure would bar any wind farm from being built within 6 miles of anyone else's property without that person's consent, and they would have to be at least 12 miles from any property zoned for residential development. This punitive measure, clearly aimed at attacking renewable energy project development, would be retroactive to January 1st if it were enacted. Trade tariffs from the U.S. administration on manufactured wind turbine components may impact Spanish wind turbine tower manufacturers, such as Windar Renovables, Hazia Wind, or GRI Renewables. In 2021, the U.S. International Trade Commission investigated and issued a report on possible dumping practices by these companies as well as Siemens, Go, Mesa. They imposed a 73% tariff on wind turbine towers imported from Spain and other countries. 2 years ago, a judge at the United States Court of International Trade annulled the tariff and ordered it to be recalculated. On Monday, the tariff was to be reintroduced at 28.5% of the value of the goods being imported to the U.S. This measure will certainly drive up project costs for developers and electricity prices for American consumers, further underlining the U.S. president's disastrous policies towards renewable energy. India and the UK are set to collaborate on round-the-clock power supply, industrial decarbonization, and offshore wind, according to a new agreement signed on Monday. The launch took place during the 4th India-UK Energy Dialogue for Energy Security and Net Zero. The second phase of the India-UK bilateral power program aims to provide technical support for ensuring round-the-clock power supply, expanding renewable energy initiatives, and accelerating industrial energy efficiency and decarbonization. The Engineering Construction Industry Training Board, in partnership with the Global Wind Organization and the Offshore Renewable Energy Catapult, is launching a cross-skilling program to support worker transferability between wind energy operations and maintenance in oil and gas. This pilot program enables the two-way transition of qualified oil and gas technicians into onshore and offshore wind, and back again as and when maintenance activity is needed. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.